Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some shabby chic and vintage inspired home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Shabby chic and vintage inspired home decor is a cozy decorating style that combines the soft old beauty of vintage pieces with the relaxed charm of cottage-style living. It focuses on creating a warm, nostalgic home filled with antique-inspired furniture, faded colors, delicate fabrics, and time-worn textures. This style is often connected to romantic look of shabby chic decor, where old and imperfect items become beautiful design features. Common elements of shabby vintage decor includes distressed wooden furniture with chipped or faded paint. Use soft pastel colors like cream, dusty pink, sheath cream, pale blue, and ivory. Use floral patterns, lace curtains, crochet accents, and embroidered fabrics. Uses vintage mirrors, candle holders, old picture frames, and antique clocks. Use cozy textiles such as knitted blankets, ruffled cushions, and linen tablecloths. Use reclaimed or weathered materials that add character and history. This decorating style creates a peaceful and lived-in atmosphere rather than a perfectly polished look. Small imperfections, faded finishes, and handmade details are part of the charm. Some popular shabby vintage decor includes decorating a living room with distressed white furniture and floral cushions, using vintage teacups, mason jars, and old books as shelf decorations, adding crochet table runners or lace towels for a nostalgic touch, mixing antique-style lighting with rustic farmhouse accessories, creating gallery walls with vintage artwork and feathered frames, using wicker baskets and wooden crates for stylish storage. For kitchens, shabby vintage style often includes open shelves with vintage dishes, soft colored cabinets, rustic wooden teacups, antique style hardware, and ceramic containers. For bedrooms, the style may feature iron bed frames, ruffled bedding, vintage vanity tables, soft lighting, and floral curtains. A beautiful part of shabby vintage inspired decor is that it does not require expensive furniture. Gifted finds, flower market treasures, handmade crochet items, and repurposed furniture can all become meaningful decor pieces. This style blends very well with cottage decor, farmhouse decor, grandma core aesthetic, French country interiors, and rustic vintage themes. The overall feeling of shabby vintage inspired home decor is soft, romantic, welcoming, and full of timeless charm. Shabby vintage inspired home decor is loved because it makes a home feel comforting, romantic, and full of personality. Instead of modern perfection, this style celebrates age, history, softness, and handmade beauty. It often feels like stepping into a peaceful countryside cottage filled with treasures, heirlooms, and cozy memories. Some deeper characteristics of this decorating style include layered and collected look. Shabby vintage homes usually look thoughtfully collected over time rather than purchased all at once. Different textures, patterns, and antique-inspired pieces are layered together to create warmth and charm. Examples include layering crochet blankets over linen bedding, mixing floral cushions with striped fabrics, combining painted wood, wicker, lace, and glass accents. Soft and romantic color palette. Colors are usually muted and calming rather than bold. Popular shades include cream and ivory, lush pink, dusty rose, sheath cream, lavender, light gray, and soft blue. These colors help create a relaxed vintage atmosphere. Distressed furniture style. Furniture often has an aged appearance with chipped paint, weathered wood, sanded-edged, antique-style handles. Whitewashed furniture is especially common because it brightens spaces while keeping the vintage feel. Handmade and vintage accessories. Handcrafted decorations play a big role in this style. Items like crochet, embroidery, lace, and knitted pieces make the home feel personal and nostalgic. Popular handmade accents include crochet pillow covers, lace table runners, handmade curtains, floral embroidery hoops, crochet flower vases. Vintage accessories may include old clocks, ceramic pictures, antique trays, vintage books, candle lanterns, rustic wall sign. Cozy lighting. Lighting is usually warm and gentle, instead of bright and modern. Popular lighting choices: vintage candlelights, table lamps with fabric shades, fairy lights, candles, and lanterns. Soft lighting helps create the dreamy cottage atmosphere associated with shabby vintage decor. Natural and rustic materials. Natural materials add texture and authenticity to the style. Use wood, linen, cotton, rattan, wicker, and iron. These materials make the home feel earthy and inviting. Shabby vintage kitchen ideas. A shabby vintage kitchen often includes open shelving with antique dishes, floral curtains, wooden bread boxes, ceramic jars, copper cookware, distressed cabinets. Fresh flowers or dried lavender are also commonly used as decorations. Shabby vintage bedroom ideas. Bedrooms in this style feel soft and peaceful with layered bedding, ruffled pillowcases, iron or wooden bed frames, vintage mirrors, lace curtains, floral wallpaper, adding crochet blankets or handmade cushions creates extra warmth and charm. Decorating tips for beginners. If someone wants to start decorating in shabby vintage style, they can begin with small touches. Choose soft, neutral colors. Add on distressed furniture pieces. Use vintage-inspired fabrics. Decorate with shifted accessories. Include handmade crochet or lace items. Mix old and new pieces naturally. Why people love this style? Many people enjoy shabby vintage decor because it feels comfortable and relaxing, romantic and feminine, nostalgic and timeless, creative and personal, formed in a state of formal. It also works beautifully in small homes, cottages, apartments, and farmhouse interiors. Shabby vintage inspired decor blends especially well with rustic farmhouse style, English country cottage decor, French country interiors, grandma core aesthetic, romantic cottage style, and vintage rustic decor themes. Shabby vintage inspired home decor is more than just a decorating style. It's a way of creating a home that feels meaningful, gentle, and full of old-world charm. The beauty of this style comes from mixing elegance with comfort, allowing rooms to feel both stylish and lived in at the same time. The atmosphere of shabby vintage decor. Shabby vintage homes usually feels calm and peaceful, cozy and welcoming, romantic and nostalgic, bright yet soft, personal and creative. Unlike modern minimalist spaces, shabby vintage interiors are designed to feel warm and emotionally comforting. Every object often will look like it has a story or history behind it. Key design features. Aged beauty. One of the most important ideas in shabby vintage decor is appreciating aged or imperfect beauty. Furniture and decoration may intentionally look old, faded, or weathered. Examples: fading paint on cabinets, distressed picture frames, antique brass handles, ordered wooden tables. These details create character and authenticity. Feminine and romantic touches. This style often includes delicate and romantic elements such as floral prints, ruffles, lace fabrics, crystal accents, carved furniture shapes, soft shrubbery. These details help create that elegant courtesan-inspired appearance associated with shabby vintage homes. Mixing old and new, a shabby vintage home does not have to contain only antique furniture. Modern items can be blended with vintage-inspired decor. For example, a modern sofa with vintage floral cushions, a new cabinet with antique candles, contemporary lighting mixed with rustic wood furniture. This mix keeps the home functional while still maintaining vintage charm. Popular decorative accessories. Shabby vintage spaces are usually filled with charming small details. Common accessories include vintage teapots and china, jade flowers and lavender bundles, crochet baskets, distressed candle holders, wooden trays, glass jars, vintage clocks, floral wall art, embroidered linens, rustic lanterns. Decorative layering is very important in this style. Wall decorating ideas. Walls in shabby vintage interiors are often soft and decorative rather than plain. Popular wall ideas: floral wallpaper, distressed wall frames, vintage mirrors, botanical prints, wooden wall shelves, antique style sign, hanging dried flowers. White or cream colored walls are often used to make rooms feel airy and bright. Flooring and textures. Texture plays a major role in shabby vintage decor. Common textures: distressed oak floors, beaded rugs, linen curtains, russet blankets, soft cotton fabrics, and wicker baskets. Layering different textures makes room feel cozy and visually interesting. Seasonal decorating. Shabby vintage decor changes beautifully with the seasons. Spring with fresh flowers, pastel decorations, floral table setting, and lace curtains. For summer, use light linen fabrics, wicker baskets, botanical prints, and sunflower or wildflowers. For autumn, use rustic pumpkins, warm knit blankets, dried fruit arrangements, and wooden candle holders. For winter, use soft fairy lights, white and cream textiles, vintage ornaments, cozy crochet straws. DIY ideas for shabby vintage decor. This style is very popular for DIY decorating because handmade pieces fit perfectly into the aesthetic. Easy DIY ideas: paint and distress old furniture, make crochet cushion covers, create messenger flower vases, repurpose wooden crates as shelves, sew lace curtains, decorate mirrors with antique finishes. DIY projects help make the home feel unique and personal. Shabby vintage decor continues to stay popular because it focuses on comfort, beauty, and nostalgia rather than trends. The combination of antique charm, soft colors, handmade touches, and cozy textures create spaces that feel emotionally warm and inviting. It especially appeals to people who love vintage markets and thrift shopping, handmade crafts and crochet, cottage and farmhouse aesthetic, romantic interiors, soft natural colors, or old-fashioned charm and simplicity. These home decor also reflect a lifestyle centered around comfort, simplicity, creativity, and sentimental beauty. Many people are drawn to this style because it feels deeply personal and emotionally comforting, rather than overly modern or formal. The shabby vintage look became especially popular through cottage homes and country interiors, while older furniture was reused instead of replaced. Over time, used furniture and faded fabrics became admired for their charm and uniqueness. The style was heavily influenced by English country cottages, French countryside homes, rustic farmhouse interiors, antique market culture, handmade vintage crafts. Today, Shabby vintage decor blends all of these influences into a soft and cozy aesthetic. Budget-friendly decorating ideas. One reason people love Shabby vintage decor is that it can be created affordably. Low-cost decorating ideas. Shop at thrift stores and flower markets. Repaint old furniture with chalk paint. Use handmade crochet decorations. Repurpose antique containers. Create DIY wall art. Use vintage fabrics for pillow covers. Old items become beautiful again in this decorating style. Emotional feeling of the style. Shabby vintage decor is not just about appearance, it is about creating emotional warmth. Homes designed in this style often feel relaxing, gentle, peaceful, nostalgic, romantic, and welcoming. The combination of faded beauty, handmade details, and soft colors create these spaces that feel timeless and comforting. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.